Hello everyone, this is Roland from My Goodie Store with another video. Today I'm going to show you my Facebook analytics for my Facebook ads. I am by far no expert. I learned this through a lot of trial and error. There was times that I would spend money on Facebook ads. I would not get any engagement. Nobody would click on the stuff that I do. But I guess now I've seen better results. So this is My Goodie Store page on Facebook. If you don't follow, if you don't like our page, like us on Facebook. We're there. So I'm gonna go to my ad center. Right now I'm currently running an ad, and it has reached 1,500 people so far, almost 1,600, and I have got 38 link clicks. So I'm promoting on My Goodie Store website. And I've spent $17.55. Let's click on the results. So I guess I pay 47 cents per click. And I always have a small budget. This is the first time. I usually do $5 or $6 per day, but this time I increase it. Each time I try to increase it to see the difference. So it's $8 per day, and it's gonna go for $9, and it's to get more website. So 52% women, 47% men, and this is where they placed it. They even placed it in Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is another great place to sell. And I chose only Florida. Different. Like I said, I use different things. So this time it's Florida. Sometimes I would promote California. I would pick California, Texas, Louisiana, and North Carolina. Those are places that I get a lot of sales. And then these are the people that I guess the audience that I chose, and I chose different stuff. That's why I always do different ads and see which one works. So, and I notice I've gotten better engagement when I have videos. I get more engagement. You see, these are all the different ads that I did before, and look at all the clicks that I've got. A long time ago when I used to do this, I didn't get all this. Like this one, this is when I first started doing, but this was like a picture, it wasn't a video, so it only reached $2.95, but I got 49 post engagement. But when I started doing the video, I would get more, more engagement. So Facebook ads is something don't, and it's not on. It's not. They show it also on Facebook, and Facebook owns Instagram, so it appears on Instagram too. So make sure you doing these Facebook ads. With trial and error, you could, I think the lowest budget you could do is like $3. I think $3 or $5 a day. So you could spend like $10, $15, and try and see which one works. What works for you? Video, maybe. Picture didn't work for me, but it might work for you. So do whatever works for you. But this is a great way to promote your business, promote your products, promote your services, whatever you do, and stuff like that through Facebook ads. Because a lot of people on Facebook. There are millions and millions of people on Facebook, and just like you see, I chose Florida. You can choose to promote to everyone in the world. Because I think this one when that I got 17,000. This one I chose a lot of different places. Like it was I think I did Australia. I put Britain because I was trying different things. So that's what I did. So this is my Facebook, and whenever I do the ads, I always notice a influx of sales, because that's my main goal, is to get my product sold. Because sometimes you might have a lot of followers, and then you're not moving anything, you're not selling anything. But I do the promotions to get my product sold and get exposure of my services, my products, and plus I work with my younger sister with the Alliance, where we help other businesses secure government contracts and different stuff like that. So it's another way for us to get more business. So if you haven't tried Facebook ad, I advise you to try it out. Try it out with a little budget for a few days and see which one works. It will help you. It will get better, because at first I never get these results. It's maybe other people have better results than me, but I knew where I come from and the results that I used to get. So this is like progress for me. So I'll see you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.